Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your background on Zoom. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is create a new meeting, which you'll find on the top left hand side, and you're going to have to make sure that your video on is toggled on the right hand side over here. You can see that's what it looks like when it's off, and when it's on, that is what it looks like. So we're going to go ahead and tap on start meeting. And over here now, what you will actually find is the meeting has begun and you will have your camera on. Now, currently my camera is blocked. So what we're going to do is we're going to just select the Wi-Fi or cellular data. And from here, we're going to just go ahead to the right hand side. Now, if you see at the bottom, it says more. Now, if you tap this, you may see that you'll have background options here. But if you don't have your background options here, where you will find it is in apps. Now we're going to tap on apps and you will now see that there are a few things that will come up. One of the options that you can see here now will be your backgrounds or your virtual backgrounds. So what we want to basically do is we want to add this virtual backgrounds. Okay, so we're going to just tap on that and this will now open it up, and here you can choose from nature backgrounds, interior, art, travel, and then you can just go ahead and search because it is powered by pixels. So let's go ahead and we're going to choose one. So let's say we want this one over here. All you need to do is tap on it. Now, once you tap on it, you'll see that there is a set background that pops up, and you're going to tap on that, and it says now preparing. Now, one of the things that you must realize is that it may not actually work right now on my phone because I am screen recording on top of having Zoom run. But once you tap on that, it'll now apply that to your video, and there you go. You've now changed your background. If this was a helpful guide, please do drop us a big old thumbs up, and we will see you in another awesome video. Happy Zooming, people. Cheerio.